upscaling skills through e-learning amid COVID-19 lockdown. The earth-shattering brunt of the COVID-19 pandemic is being felt across the globe. People have been forced to stay indoors with all physical gatherings, meetings, and every imaginable collective outdoor activities suspended for the time being. The World Health Organization has mandated the policy of effective physical distancing as a temporary remedy to keep the virus at bay and soliciting some more time, as the foolproof method to gain victory over the virus is only by the means of a vaccine. Nations around the world are grouping minds and researchers to create one. The period of essential self-isolation can also be utilized by professionals and students alike to acquire new skills and proficiencies to expand their horizons and boost their present calibers. This case time can prove to be a catalyst towards developing ourselves further and pushing the envelope. Harder looks still. Here is where the new age e-learning platforms comes into the picture. Through an assortment of distinct courses covering a diverse expanse of disciplines, learners can gain a solid professional acumen in any given area of their choice, and that too in very little time. New tidings and new learnings. A multitude of edutech players has built state-of-the-art learning platforms that offers extensive data-oriented course structures in cutting-edge technology innovations of the modern age, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cloud computing, and other newly branched sciences. These online training providing pioneers are witnessing an even increasing platforms. The young populations of our country, comprising students, trainees, professionals, is choosing to make the most of this lockdown period by upskilling and upgrading their existing skill sets. While gaining new skills and expertise always gratifies the learner's spirit, it also opens up new doors to uncharted vistas by enhancing their talent and productivity. Innovation and more innovation. Also owing to the digital transformation of businesses across all industries in the wake of the COVID-19 catalysm, it is only natural that the workers undergo a parallel shift in their working methodologies. Almost every offline mode of business operations is crossing over to the online medium to continue sustenance in the world where physical means of functioning and networking no longer make the cut. Due to such landmark transitions in the way businesses are imagined in the current context, it is only fitting that the workers now accelerate towards a novel and reimagined model of innovation and tech-driven vocations. Almost magical. A plethora of breakthrough AI-powered tech courses is initiating the learners in gauging the intrinsic programming and predictive patterns of machines. AI and machine learning are proven to be an indispensable and central aspects of every contemporary field of science, design, or research. From predicting the fuel capacity of a particular car to estimating the directional trajectory of the share market to zeroing off on the cure of deadly diseases or creating an all-in-one wonder app. Almost every scientific field holds numerous applications of these revolutionary tech innovations. Therefore, in such circumstances where venturing outdoors has been limited to contain the COVID-19 spread, online learning platform provides the most optimum scope for personal development and professional growth. By inculcating new skills and technological abilities, young professionals are rapidly empowering themselves to scale new heights and novel frontiers. These remote edutech platforms are nothing less than an essential mechanism and a much needed respite in the face of global crisis. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.